Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best purse hook is probably one of the most essential accessories for anyone who wants to keep their belongings safe and accessible while on the go, especially when dining out or working in public spaces. Imagine never having to place your bag on a dirty floor or worry about it being stolen again. This simple yet ingenious device offers peace of mind and convenience, transforming your experience in cafes, restaurants, offices, and even at home by providing a secure and elevated spot for your handbag, backpack, or tote. Number 5. Gear Aid HEROCLIP Small Carabiner Gear Clip. Introducing the world's first 3-in-1 clip and hook. It's designed to hang almost anything, anywhere you need it. This small clip can hold up to 50 pounds with a secure grip. Your items will stay put, no matter what. When not in use, the hook and clip nest together for a compact design. It's easy to store and carry. With countless uses, you'll find yourself reaching for it for everything. From bags to water bottles, it handles it all. Constructed from durable, aircraft-grade aluminum, this clip is built to last. It's a reliable tool for your daily needs. Please note, this product is not intended for climbing or activities where failure could cause harm. Always use it safely. What we like? This one is incredibly versatile with its unique 3-in-1 clip and hook system. It's built tough from aircraft-grade aluminum and can hold up to 50 pounds. If you need a reliable clip for a wide variety of items beyond just your purse, like hanging lanterns or tools, this is the one for you. What people say. This purse hook is very sturdy and can hold a heavy purse without issue. The design is sleek and modern, and it folds up neatly for easy storage. It's a great way to keep your purse off the floor and safe from spills. Number 4. KWMOBILE Folding Purse Hook Set. Introducing the KWMOBILE Purse Hook Set, designed to keep your bag conveniently close. Perfect for restaurants, offices, or home, it ensures your belongings are always within reach. Avoid dirty floors and accidental trampling. This hanger keeps your bag safely beside you, maintaining its cleanliness and preventing damage. Its foldable design makes it incredibly easy to pack and transport. With a secure magnetic closure, it's ready to go wherever you do. The non-slip bottom surface ensures your bag stays securely in place. You can trust it to hold your belongings without sliding. Crafted from lightweight aluminum alloy, each hook can support up to 3 kilograms, 6.6 pounds. Its compact size and minimal weight make it an ideal accessory. What we like? This option comes as a convenient set of 2 and features a clever foldable design with a magnetic closure. Its non-slip grip ensures your bag stays put. If you frequently dine out or work in places where you want a secure spot for your bag, and you appreciate having a spare, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This purse hook is heavy-duty and can hold a lot of weight. The design is sleek and modern, and it looks great on any table. It's very easy to use and folds up small for storage. Number 3. TANOSII Foldable Bling Rhinestone Purse Hook. Introducing a stylish and functional accessory for your everyday needs. This foldable purse hook is designed to keep your belongings secure and within reach. Crafted from durable zinc alloy and adorned with sparkling rhinestones, it offers both elegance and longevity. The anti-slip rubber base ensures a secure grip on any surface. Its lightweight and foldable design makes it incredibly easy to carry anywhere. Simply tuck it into your pocket or bag for on-the-go convenience. Despite its compact size, it can support up to 11 pounds, making it perfect for holding your handbag or purse securely. Designed to fit tables up to 1.97 inches thick, it provides a safe and clean place for your bag while you dine or work. This is an ideal choice for daily use, ensuring your bag stays off the floor and close to you at all times. What we like? This hook stands out with its decorative bling rhinestone design and is constructed from durable zinc alloy. It can support up to 11 pounds and has an anti-slip rubber disc. If you're looking for a stylish accessory that also keeps your bag off the floor, especially for a night out or a special occasion, this is the perfect pick. What people say. The hook is very sturdy and holds my heavy purse without any issues. It's a great size and folds up easily to fit in my bag. The non-slip pad on the hook keeps it securely in place on the table. Number 2. ROFLYER Clover Design Foldable Handbag Hanger. Tired of placing your precious bag on the dirty floor? Keep it clean and secure by hanging it right beside you. This elegant accessory is designed to impress. Its creative design is sure to spark conversations and earn you compliments. It's a perfect match for your handbags. When not in use, it folds up neatly with a magnetic closure, making it easy to store. Add elegance without the extra weight. This accessory is designed to be both lightweight and stylish, complementing your bag. When folded, it's incredibly compact at just 4.5 by 6.3 by 1 centimeter. Unfolded, it extends to 10 centimeters, ready to hold up to 12 pounds. Each hook comes with a soft velvet pouch for added protection and easy carrying. What we like? This hanger boasts a unique Clover design that's sure to be a conversation starter and comes with a nice velvet pouch for storage. It's lightweight and stylish, perfect for everyday use. If you appreciate a touch of personality and want a functional yet fashionable accessory to complement your handbag, this is a great option. What people say. This purse hook is very sturdy and can hold a heavy purse without any issues. The design is sleek and elegant, and it folds up neatly for easy storage. It's a great way to keep your purse off the floor and within easy reach. Number 1. Amooca Leather Car Seat Headrest Hook, 2-pack. Crafted from high-hardness metal and covered in premium faux leather, these hooks are built to last. They are wide and deep enough to hold all your essentials. Transform your car's headrest into convenient storage. Keep your interior tidy by hanging groceries, bags, coats, and more, preventing items from rolling around. Installation is a breeze. Simply attach them to your headrest bars without needing any tools or removing the headrest itself. These hooks rotate 360 degrees for easy access from both the front and back seats. They can also be discreetly hidden when not in use. Each hook can support up to 55 pounds, making them perfect for heavy bags and groceries. Enjoy a cleaner, more organized car. Ideal for handbags, backpacks, shopping bags, and even baby supplies. Keep everything off the floor and securely hung. What we like? This product is specifically designed to organize your car space, converting your headrest into a storage solution. It's made of metal with faux leather and can hold up to 55 pounds, even rotating 360 degrees for convenience. If you're tired of clutter in your car and want to keep your handbag, groceries, or other items off the floor and easily accessible, this is the ideal solution. What people say. The purse hook is heavy-duty and can hold a substantial amount of weight without bending or slipping. It's designed with a non-slip base that securely grips the table surface, preventing accidental falls. The compact and foldable design makes it easy to carry in a purse or pocket. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.